Horses out while Black Tulip left behind. We've got Embraceable, past the begin, head spin, moving up, body shot, Pali, down on the inside, Nichols Choice, Bartolina, Show No Emotion, and Rain Dancer, and going along for the first turn, head spin, is running by the rail, and on the outside, moving up comes Embraceable, body shot in the middle, two lengths, watching them is Pali, Show No Emotion is racing in fifth, Nichols Choice, Bartolina, then followed by Razor Dancer and Black Tulip coming from behind. A swing into the back. This time, three runners fighting it out for the lead. Head spin, moving up in the middle, body shot. Embraceable on the outside, Pali in fourth. Show No Emotion, also moving up. Then comes Nichols Choice, Bartolina, Razor Dancer. Then a long way back to Black Tulip. And on the fourth turn, we've got Pali moving up in the middle, Show No Emotion on the outside, down on the inside, Embraceable moving up head speed as they come down to the last 200. Show No Emotion takes the lead, Pali in the middle, head spin, down on the inside, Bartolina. But it's still Show No Emotion by about 2 lengths over Pali, moving up Rain Dancer, and finally Show No Emotion, Pali, Rain Dancer, then comes Bartolina,